Open our camera, right? My favorite one, my favorite bird, Moltres. It's too long to say legendary Galarian Moltres. I'm not gonna say, you know, whatever. I'm just gonna say I'm calling them birds, okay? I'm gonna take this cool card out because this is mine. But I will show you the Moltres. Beautiful. There's too much stuff on screen, that's why I can't focus. And they got the mountain down there. That trees on the side, I don't know. Is that some Crown Tundra mountain? Is that the one that oh my gosh, what's that guy with the big onion head? I know his horse Spectre or whatever. Calyrex, yeah. Anyway, I don't care. Putting this guy away. Centering on this isn't perfect either. Okay, where my packs at, brother? Alright, 4 packs. Ten additional cards, my boy. Give me that black hole card, boy. Doc. Oh, alright. Dust Clouds. That means I'm gonna get Giratina. I already know. My second Giratina, here I come. I already know. If it's dark, double dark in the front. Ooh, triple dark. Come on, come on. Ooh, shiny. Okay, next. Yeah, Lycanroc. It's not bad. Ooh, I always like these hollow energies are so nice. Cause you can really see the foil. That 10-cent foil on the back, you can really see it through with the energy card because they don't have anything cluttering your foil. You can really see that. It's beautiful. That's why I like those older cards, those older GX cards, because like the background isn't like as complex and not as, you know. I mean, it's not a bad thing that, you know, they add more detail in the background like this card, but like you can actually see like the beautiful shine of the card more. I think, in my opinion, in like cards with more plain backgrounds. Oh, that one is something sticky in here. Something hollow. Something really sticky and hollow in here. Lexio, Digging Duel, Shaman, Sunkern, Bidoof eating a fucking tree stump, Slandit, Purloin. Oh shoot. Oh gosh damn! Oh, I got the Zoroark. I ain't get this at all yet. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that card. Hey, what you trying to do? Rip it? Come on. Damn. The Zoroark. For 100 gifted subs, I'll rip it in half. Don't believe me? I don't even know how much this is worth. I don't care. It's just so cool. Man, 2 hitters already. Man, this box, this one's feeling good. This one, not this pack, but this tin is feeling good. This tin is beautiful. So, oh, there's something sticky in here again. Something sticky. Something sticky. Fighting, Digging Duel, Shaman, Crush, Amogus, Head, Poniard, Cookie Jetot. Oh! 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 Gosh! What's that? Go in the sword! Oh! Oh my god! That's my second. That's my second gold card. What the fuck? What the what? Oh my! I need to wipe my hands. It's sweating. Oh my goodness! I knew it. I was like, something sticky in here. Oh, Danny, you want to come in the room and open one pack? Bro, my second gold card. Oh my gosh. Okay. No. That's my second gold card. Dude, I have to bring up my Giratina after this so I can put them together. For now, I sleeve it and I put it on top of the Zero Aura. But this tin is stacked. This tin was like kept on in the factory during the first release of Crown Zenith, and they're like, oh shoot, wait, oh what the heck? This cold card messed up. But yeah, they kept this in the factory. They're like, oh, when the hit rates were high, they kept this in the factory. They're like, oh, we forgot to take this one out. Let's put in some random tin. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second. Gosh, I guess. Oh my gosh, I should just. Ooh, I should just sell it and go buy it. All the cards. So rare, Lux, Chatot. I'm not gonna say the names of the cards. I'm already happy with these tins. Jinx, Luxio, and ooh, sign Nessa. That's not bad. Yeah. Autograph by. I think it's the Japanese voice actor. Should be the Japanese voice actor. Yeah, I see those. Last pack. This everything is really good already. I thought the LGS like scammed me or something, but nope, they gave me another god pack, another one. I know god packs are in Japan, god packs are literally like the whole pack is hollow, but in America I'm just called I was so preoccupied with that RCS that I forgot to sleeve my Zero Aura. I'll do that after. Oh, there's no sticky card in here. Entei, and another one. It's not bad. I'm gonna sleeve these now. I always thought Zacian looks ugly, and Zamazenta or Zamamenta, whatever Zamazenta. And I didn't get shield. I got swords. So Zacian's a good Pokemon in sword, but not an attractive Pokemon. Pokemon shouldn't be attractive unless you're a furry. But yeah, it's not a really cool looking Pokemon. Just like a dog. It looks like a dog. You know, Regigigas is cool. You know, but a lot of people don't think he looks cool. But Regigigas is cool. I'm gonna sleeve everything and then I'll show you guys what I got. So that tin, literally I got tin. Maybe you should just buy Moltres tins. Moltres tins. Look at all the hitters I got from Moltres tins. Look at this. 1, 2, 3. I mean, I don't know. This can go both ways. This is all you need to know. I got Darcy. This is all you have to know. Zoroark. This. And it just comes with a tin, but yeah, it's pretty cool.